So I wanted to make one more point on how to concatenate different stitches together, because so far we always saw rows of single crochet and then rows of double crochet or treble crochet and so on. So let's say instead that my pattern says to make 2 single crochet and then 1 double crochet. What I would do is I start my row with 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then from here I directly start my double crochet in this way. Yarn over, push through, and here is my double crochet. So the chains you saw that I made at the beginning of a row to make the row of double crochet are propedeutic for working in rows only. If not else indicated, every stitch you see must be executed in the first stitch available, and starting off with the stitch directly without adding any chain and any propedeutic stitch for that.